I want to do a quick review of an oil sprayer. I absolutely love this. I've actually been eyeing this for quite some time. I've been using the can sprayed oils. Problem is, we go through those very quickly. We go through about a can a week. So this is really cool. For one, it's going to be a lot more cost efficient. Two, I'm able to control what oil I'm actually putting inside, which has me really excited. You simply put your favorite oil. I use either an olive oil or an avocado oil for most of our cooks at home. You can put as much or as little as you like, obviously, and then you can push this little lever here and you can spray it. Comes out very uniform. You're able to control it, which is really nice. It also has a push button here, and this is really cool, to where you can actually pour it out just like that. So you get the best of both worlds. There's times where I'm cooking something that needs more than a spray. I push that button and I can go ahead and pour it out, which is really cool. But most of the time I'm using the spray. But I also, once again, it's because I can control what type of oil and the quality of that oil that goes in there. Definitely recommend it. Something we use every single day. In fact, multiple times a day. So definitely check it out.